Good morning again. How are you? I'm pretty good, thank you. So, let's recap what we went through yesterday, and then we will do a few exercises in the book, and I will give you some more worksheets to do. Easy ones, okay? So, you remember what I taught you yesterday, right? About subtraction? So, subtraction is what is left after taking something away. That is what subtraction means. Okay? And you remember you have different ways of solving subtractions. Either do it in your head if you are good, if you can do that, or you can use the 10 frame, or you can use number bonds, or if you have pictures you can take off and put on, then you can do that as well and just count. Okay? Alright, so let's look in the book now, page 72-73. Alright? Okay, I will see you in a few seconds in the book. Alright, okay, so page 72 please. Meaning of subtraction. And then we have understanding of subtraction, taking away. So let's do this. There are 6 chocolates on a plate. Janice takes away 2 chocolates. She eats them or whatever. How many chocolates are left on the plate? So let's subtract 2 from 6. So I take away 2 chocolates. You have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you take away 2, so you jump 2 steps. 1, 2. These 2 you have eaten already. So we can cross out 2 chocolates to show that they are taken away. And then we can subtract by counting back. So 5, 4. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 chocolates are left on the plate. So if you use number bonds, you have 6, the whole is 6, and then you take away 2, so part 1 you take away 2, part 2 you have 4 left. Okay, now page 73 please. Subtraction for finding a part, also number bonds. Recall number bonds of 8, so the total is 8. You take away part 1, you take away 3. What is, how many numbers? What number is part number 2? How many do you take away for part 2? So 8 minus 3. So there are 8 fruits. You have 8 fruits. 3 are apples. The remaining are mangoes. So how many mangoes are there? Let's subtract 3 from 8. Okay, 3 and 5 make 8. So you subtract 3 from 8, you get number 5, and then you double check. 5 plus 3 is 8. It is easier to subtract by counting back or using number bonds. So answer, there are 5 mangoes. So the whole 8 fruits. Part 1, 3 fruits. Part 2, 5 fruits. Because 5 plus 3 equals 8. Subtraction is what is left after taking something away. Okay, so you take away 3, then this is what you have left. 5. Okay? Now let's turn the page. Go to 74 and 75, please. We will not do this activity because you need to be more students than alone, more than one. So we do these ones, A and B down here. 74 please. Draw a line to show 2 parts. Complete the number bonds. So you have the whole 9, total of 9, the whole is 9. Then one part is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th part is corn, and the other part is tomatoes. How many tomatoes do you have? Count. And then B, you have the whole 10, the total of 10, and part 1 is 6. So that is blue balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue balloons. How many green balloons? Part 2. Okay, page 75, please. Okay, let's read the instructions or the question. How many are there left? Subtract and fill in the boxes. Okay, so now you need to fill in these boxes. City takes away 1. Okay, so she eats 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have a total of 6 here, but City, she takes away 1. So what is left? How many remains? 6 minus 1. You have to write that, please. B, Peter eats 2. Okay, so how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Peter eats 2. What is the answer? How many are left? Okay, number 2, subtract to find the whole and 1 part. Fill in the missing numbers. So A, you have a total of, I'm not going to help you, the total. And then you have 1 part, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the other part? Okay, and B, you have insects, you have butterflies and you have geckos. So what is the total, the whole? 1 part is 2, you have 2 butterflies, so 1 part is 2. What is the other part? What is the gecko part? How many geckos? Okay. Alright, good job. I'm sure you're going to be able to solve this. So now I will show you the 2 worksheets I'm going to give you as homework. But I'm giving you 2 because they are they're fairly easy and there are only 5 exercises. And I will help you with the first one. Alright? So cross out the shapes according to the number sentences, then find the answers. So you have 10 minus 2. Let's count them. Are there 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10. Minus 2. So minus 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is left. So the answer is 8. And then we double check. 2 plus 8 equals 10. And 10, you start with 10. So that is correct. Number 2, 7 minus 5. What is that? 8 minus 4. What is that? 3 minus 2. And 6 minus 1. What is that? So that is worksheet number 1. Now let's look at worksheet number 2. Instructions are the same. Cross out the shapes according to the number sentences, then find the answers. 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not going to help you with this one. 6 minus 3. 8 minus 6. 4 minus 1. And 9 minus 4. Alright. Good. Oh, I'm sorry, you did not see that one. 9 minus 4. What is that? Okay. Alright, good job. So now, when you have finished these exercises, both in the book and on the worksheets, please have your parents check them. So go away and give the papers and the book to your parents with the phone, because I will give them the answers. Okay? Alright, so I will wait a few seconds while you go get your parents to give them their phone and the worksheets and the book. Okay? All right, see you in a few seconds. Bye bye. Okay, so now parents, mothers and fathers, I'm going to give you the correct answers. All right, so page 74, exercise A. So number bonds, 9 is the whole, 6 is one part. How many is the second part? 3 tomatoes, so 3. And then B, the whole is 10 and you have 6 blue balloons. How many green balloons? 4. And then page 75, how many are there left? Subtract and fill in the boxes. City takes away 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1. What's that? 5. And then Peter eats 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 2. 7. Okay. And we have more number bonds. How many? The total. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the total, the whole is 8. So one part is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I'm sorry, my mistake. I was not paying attention. I'm sorry. So the whole, the total is 9. One part is 4, and the other part is 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. And lastly, the insects. What's the total? Geckos plus butterflies equals 6. And 2 butterflies and how many geckos? 4. Okay, so that is the correct answers for these exercises. Now let's go to the worksheets. So the first worksheet, the first one is 10 minus 2 equals 8. Number 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's the first worksheet. And here is the second one. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And 9 minus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. So that's how you check them. Alright, so please check your students' exercises. And that for this video clip. I will see you in the next one. Students and parents, take care. Bye.